Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pidgeot. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the beak, starting with the top. Let's start with an angled line here. Then from the bottom, let's bring it out to the right, and then curve it down at the end. Let's hop back to the top now and draw an angled line down. And then a bent line to close it off. Next, let's draw the bottom of the beak. From the left side, let's draw an angled line to the right, and then a curve up. Next, let's draw the feathers on the top of the head. Starting on the top left of the beak, let's draw a curved line out towards the left. Next to the right, let's draw an angled line up. And now curve it over to the left in the same way. Now to the right, let's draw a bent line up like this. Now inside, let's draw a small bend up and then over like this. And then above the beak, let's draw one more curve inside. Now let's curve this top section over to the left. And then underneath, another curve going up. And then one more curve inside. Next, let's hop back over to the right side and add one more bent line above the beak here. Next, let's draw the pattern around the eye. To the left of the beak here, let's draw a small angled line down, and then angle it up to the left. And then down again like this. And now another angle down towards the right. Now above it, let's draw another angle down and back into the bottom here. Next, let's draw the eye. At the top here, let's draw another angle inside. And then two curves for the pupil. And then a small U shape inside. Next, color the eye in black. Next, let's hop over to the left and let's draw a curve down like this, stopping about here. Let's draw the wing next. Underneath this line, let's draw a curve up. And then a small curve below it like this. Next, from this line, let's curve it all the way up towards the left. And next, if there's any gaps between the feathers we drew earlier and this line, let's fix those now. Next, from the top, let's draw a curve up. And then a V shape in at the end. Next, let's follow that same curve all the way back down like this. And then from the end, let's curve it in towards the face and then back up. Next, from the top, let's draw curved square shapes going down at an angle, getting smaller as we go down like this. Now that we finished the fourth one, it should be around the same level as the top of the head. Now let's continue going, getting smaller as we go down. And you should stop right about here. Now let's hop back up to the very top of the wing and draw another curve here like this. And then another curve inside at the top. Next, let's add another layer of feathers in the same way as before with curved rectangle shapes. Next, on the left side here, let's draw a curve down and then another one coming to the point for the end of the head feather. Next, let's draw the other wing going up behind. Starting at the top here, let's draw a curve up and to the right. Then from the end, let's draw a curve going up. Now inside, on the left, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then two more getting smaller as we go. Now from the top line, let's curve it back down. Then let's hop down and draw another curve for another feather. And then again. And then one more. And then let's continue that line down underneath, back to the body. Let's continue the body next. On the left side under the wing, let's draw a curved line down, stopping about here. Now let's move over to the right under the beak. Let's draw a curve in, back out, and down, stopping here, leaving a small gap at the bottom. Next, inside that gap, let's draw a zigzag line like this. Next, inside the body, on the left side, let's draw a curve down, and then another curve down like this. Let's add the feet next. Inside at the bottom, let's draw a zigzag line like this. Now we're going to draw a toe down on the left. And then add a small claw at the end. Then a curve over and up for the next toe, and then one more. Now let's add two curved lines in the left two toes. Next, let's draw the right foot underneath. Under the body here, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then two more times. And then again, curves in the two left toes. And lastly, let's add the tail. At the bottom of the body here, let's draw a curve down to the left. And then bring it up at the bottom. And then again, another curve down and up. And then one more curve to close off this piece. Now underneath, let's draw a small curve down here. Then curve over to the right. And then close off this section. And then one more to the right. And that's it for Pidgeot. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!